In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital product on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Gumroad is a fantastic platform that allows creators like you and me to sell digital products effortlessly, whether they're ebooks, music, software, courses, or any other type of downloadable content. Let's dive into the process of setting up your digital product step by step, starting from the very beginning. First, you'll need to visit the Gumroad website. If you don't already have an account, it's easy to set one up. Just follow the prompts to create your account. If you're already a member, simply log into your dashboard to get started. Once you're logged in, you should see a clear layout of your dashboard. It's user-friendly, which is one of the reasons I love using Gumroad. On the left-hand side, find the Products section. Click on that, and then you'll see an option to create a new product. Go ahead and select New Product. Now it's time to name your product. Choose a catchy but descriptive name that captures the essence of what you're offering. This will be the first impression potential customers have of your product, so make it count. Once you've named it, you'll notice that you need to specify the type of product it is. Make sure to select Digital Product. This is crucial because it tells Gumroad how to handle the product file you'll be uploading later. Next, we need to set a price for your product. Think carefully about how much you want to charge. Research similar products in your niche to get an idea of the market rate. You'll also need to select the appropriate currency. Gumroad supports various currencies, so pick the one that fits your target audience best. Now that we've wrapped up the basics, let's move along to customizing your product. Gumroad provides a space for you to add a product description. This is your chance to really sell your product. Write a clear and engaging description that highlights the benefits and any key features. Think in terms of what customers will want to know and how your product can solve their problems or enhance their lives. Alongside the description, you will need to provide some visuals. Adding a cover image and a thumbnail is essential. This could be a simple graphic design or an eye-catching image that relates to your product. Make sure these visuals are high quality because they can significantly impact your sales. Once you've uploaded these images, don't forget to save your changes. After customizing the visuals and description, it's time to move on to the next step, uploading your actual product file. You can do this by clicking on the section that allows you to upload files. Just drag and drop your file or browse your computer to find it. Ideally, keep your files organized in a way that makes it easy for customers to access them after purchase. Finally, once you've uploaded the file, take one last moment to review everything you've entered. Double-check the name, price, description, and all images to ensure they look good and present your product well. After you're satisfied, simply hit Save and Continue. And there you go! Your digital product is now set up on Gumroad and ready for sale. Share the link with your audience, whether through social media, your website, or an email list. Engage with your customers, answer their questions, and encourage feedback to improve future products too. So there you have it, the complete process of creating a digital product on Gumroad. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed for more valuable content like this. Remember, the world of digital products offers endless opportunities, so get creative and start sharing your knowledge and skills. Good luck and happy selling!